Hi there, time for class project once again. So in this class project, you have to design a t-shirt and you have to make a she-wolf t-shirt design in this class project. So this is your homework and this is my output. Once you create your t-shirt design, you have to place your design inside a mockup file and can't wait to see your output file. So let's take a look on our PDF file about the details of she-wolf t-shirt design for our class project. Here is the details about our class project, and the name of our class project is she-wolf t-shirt design. So at first you have to create a new document and it's quite simple. You just have to click on file menu and then you have to go for new option. Okay, then you have to use the ellipse tool for creating a round circle. You can take a look. We got a round circle in here, and to create this round circle you have to use this ellipse tool. Then fill and stroke. You have to fill the round circle with color. So you can take a look. We got a red color here, and you have to add a stroke. So you can take a look. We got a black stroke here, and you can change the color or change the color for fill color or stroke color. You can change it as you want. Okay, then image placement. So you can take a look. We got a wolf head inside the round circle. So you can place any image inside the round circle, and then the text part. So you have to type the text on circle. You can take a look. We got a she-wolf text over here. And finally, you have to place the design inside a mockup file, and then you have to save the image in JPG format. So this is my output, and I'm really excited to have a look on your output of creating the t-shirt design. You can share with me about your work in project section, or you can share with me about your work in assignment section, or you can tag me on social media.